Sige mamutag sa nitanan. We are here in Bais City, about 1 hour from Dumaguete, but it took us like 2 hours because there were so many accidents on the road.
It's raining.
Yeah, so we're here in Bais, and we met the mayor's son the other day. So he's gonna show us around. We're gonna do some activities.
Ew.
So let's see what they got in store for us. Tara. So yes, at the Karan, where are we?
We're in Bais City, but we're at the mayor's house. Well, I think the mayor's house.
Yeah.
And the mayor's humble abode. I think we're gonna eat. It's our host. I'm gonna pick this up. We're gonna eat now because it's Filipino, so that's what we do first.
Shout out to Hyundai because they support this bad boy. They're making our dreams come true by traveling this beautiful.
Yeah, I couldn't imagine getting from Dumaguete to Bais with a bike,
and
scooter, and it's kind of raining.
Yeah, so thank you so much. They have locations in Cebu and Dumaguete.
And we need to wash it. We really need to wash it. Sorry.
Yes.
If you're a car wash in Dumaguete, let us know.
Hello, Mercy.
And you are?
Kaloy.
Hello.
Yes.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Good.
That's my vlog called Bisayang Hilaw.
Oh, yeah. Somebody told me about it.
Oh, really?
You know,
Yeah.
I don't have time to watch all that much as I would
Neither do I.
like to, but- Okay, please sit down. Thank you.
Yeah. So our itinerary right now, since the weather is not really on our side,
Yeah.
but we still have good spots to go.
Okay.
So the kayak is down there already waiting. There's the sub is also there. So I guess what we can do is go to the mangroves around first.
Yeah.
See what's going on there. See some wild ducks and whatnot.
All right, so we're here at their house and they supplied some delicious. Okay, we're not sure yet. We're gonna taste it, but it's called
Elote.
elote. Elote. Their business is called Mais de Bais. So test it out. This one's spicy. Hers is not.
Not spicy.
She
Never
does not like spicy. Is it just only here in Bais then, obviously? Because Mais de Bais for now.
Let's go.
Whoa.
We're going to do a
It's
pop-up
so good.
tomorrow Thursday.
That's nice. What's on it?
Yeah.
Secret. We're gonna have to.
Cigarette. So if you're here in Bais, come check this out. Never had corn like this?
This is delicious.
Spicy or non-spicy?
Not spicy, you wish. I want to try it.
One bite.
How spicy?
It's not that spicy.
Me level.
Probably not. Pretty good.
What didn't know you were filming?
Nice.
What is this?
This is chocolate dermis.
Chocolate
Let me
dermis.
finish chewing.
Oh,
Wait.
yeah.
Shush. Oh, okay. Okay, this is chocolate de Mercedes. So this is what the mayor makes, and it is 100% pure chocolate.
Cacao.
Cacao.
Cat cow.
And then, you see?
Honestly, so freaking good.
Yeah, so you melt it, and then it's just like pure chocolate, and you add Alpine, swear by it.
Diba? Sige, so nakamo na kami dire sa ambot unsa ni siya? Dagat ni siya?
Kapinyan.
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 So we're gonna go kayak and take the pump boat to the mangroves. Pero grabe ka balod. Super choppy right now. We'll see how it works out. Probably gonna have to transfer to the GoPro because sige ulan dire sa kayo. So tara. Sige, bago kami masulot sa mangroves, magpa repellent. Sige, so kauban na po karon si Quintanilla.
Hi, I'm Pee-wee, Tourism Officer of Bais. Hello!
Amin ako Bisayang Tambok.
Bisayang Tambok. Also known as Bisayang Tambok. Hello!
Oxy.
Daisy
Daisy?
of City Agriculture's Office, the Senior Aquaculturist of Bais City.
Ayos. Oxy on.
Siyon ni.
On karon or off?
Siyon no.
On gyapon.
Siyon gyapon sige. Siyon doon ni. Gadala-dala nila kuyog taga Bais ra pod.
Ayos.
Ayun ninyo di atran.
Oxy Ma'am Joy.
Ako si Zoe.
Wow. Bistak. Kakita ka?
No, I can't see anything!
One thing that I miss during quarantine is the sound of a pump boat. Sige, nakamo na kami dire sa Talabong Mangrove Forest. Took us about 20 minutes. via pump boat. Murag 20 minutes na ang biyahe.
Yeah, 20 minutes.
Ayos. So mo ni siyang hari sa
Hari sa mga tagnok.
Tagnok.
Yeah.
Mao dili sa hadlock kay siyang hari sa Tagnok. Yeah, so na Tagnok usa ka gamay na insekto nakatul kayo, mura siyang lamok, nagamay kayo.
Tinood.
Sige. Tulota. Sige, so diri kami manaog tunga sa usa ka unsa gani? Mangrove. Mangrove. Ayos. Mo yung kapitan. Si Captain kita di ay. Jimoy. Ayos. Si Jimoy. Bugoy ang crew karon. Ayos. Lingaw kayo.
Tambok, Bisaya.
Tambok Bisaya.
Tourism officer and alright. So,
Sige, mo na siyang itsura sa mangrove pag dali pa high tide kayo. Manghihis ako.
Tikaron no.
Pwede ko manghihit dire. Kung sa gani ang tamsi dire. Hummingbird. Hummingbird.
Tambok nga sexy.
Tambok na sexy. Grabe. Hummingbird di ay ka.
grabe.
Tamsi. Oh! Didn't see that.
You're right.
Yeah, we're good.
Once they found a snake in here. And the snake told them, "Hello, welcome."
Maura? Good start. Sige.
Largo.
Paklay tabay.
Kita magchanilas. Oh, may bildo dali. I've got crab.
No, I mean there's a crab over there. Bugoy atong crew karon na. Lingaw atong crew. So the little insects we were talking about, we call them bao-bao because in Surigao we visited a waterfall, Bao-bao Falls, and they had these little insects that were so itchy.
So itchy, and then it lasts for like 2 days.
Yeah.
You think you're safe, and then the next morning you wake up and it's itchier.
All right, so supposedly there's not really much back in the mangroves, just a nice open area. So we're gonna head back to the boat. All right, so we transferred over here to the watchtower, very near to the mangroves. Gutom si Monjoy, dito siya ng lingkod, kaon og chorizo na pan. Lami. All right, so diri mi miambak, muambak ka bay. Okay. So diri mi muambak, so ambak ta. All right, so we weren't allowed to jump on the bantayan, so we're just cruising through the mangroves right now. Mom Joey went first.
I'm brave.
Nagun sa kadya.
It's too short for me to stand up sometimes. Do I go left or right?
You know what? You're right.
Left.
Let me check. Because I've never been in this area too.
One thing to say before you're fading away. I really love you. Escaping you.
Nak! Oh. Hi, Nak.
Mga hapon sa Newtonan. It is another day. We did not wala kami nadayon sa among vlog dito sa Bais because it was raining and we ran out of daylight. So we will continue the vlog today. We are here with the one and only Nak,
Knock, knock.
the kitten that we saved here in Dumaguete.
She looks much better now.
Yes, it looks like a cat now. Kitten. So Mayor Mercedes dito sa Bais, she gave us some cacao.
Cocoa.
What's like the cocoa and cacao?
Cacao.
She gave us some chocolate tablets.
Cacao.
So we're gonna make some chocolates now. Ta-da.
Hi. Mommy loves you.
Okay, so this is the sorry. This is the chocolate tablets. What do we call it?
Pods.
Chocolate pods. So we're gonna melt this and mix it with some sugar,
And milk.
some milk.
Yeah. So these are handmade by Mary Mercy, and she swears by Alpine, but I swear by Alaska condensed milk, because Team Alaska, in case you missed it. Can we put the thingy in here?
What?
I was amused. Just put something in.
Just kidding.
Okay, so we're actually making up the ratios.
There's directions here.
Oh, heck. For every pair of cacao tablets, boil in...
Cat cow, go.
They can play well, but we foretell. But we foretell.
2 tablets of this, boil in saucepan 2 cups of water until melted. Add 1 small can, this is not a small can, is it? Whatever. Of evaporated milk. Cook until thick and creamy on low heat, approximately 20 minutes. Add sugar or condensed milk according to taste. Okay, great. Well, I absolutely would have forgotten to put the water. I'm like looking outside instead of here, sorry.
This is all we do? Just boil it?
Yeah, then we add some milk.
Oh yeah.
What are you doing? Can someone tell me if anyone else stands in the kitchen like this? Is this a Filipino thing or is this a me thing? 'Cause I know we all sit at the table like this. But I also cook like this.
It's looking good.
What?
So this stuff is supposed to be just super thick chocolate. It's not even really chocolate milk, it's just like drinking chocolate.
Straight up chocolate. Yeah.
Straight up jabites.
No, because it's pretty pure. She's super clean. I hope she stays this way and doesn't become one of those cats that's like, don't touch me.
So update on our current situation here in Dumaguete. It is still quarantine. What is it? Community quarantine?
General community quarantine.
General community quarantine. So technically we can go out and hike and stuff, but pretty much everywhere's closed.
Yeah.
Waterfalls or lakes or beaches and stuff.
And I don't like hiking just for the heck of walking around.
Yeah. And we actually lost our rental car. Earlier in this video we had the rental car, but we had to return it.
Yeah.
And you can't have a back ride unless you're like all bundled up in long sleeves and stuff. I don't even
I'm
know.
not about that.
Yeah, it's too hot here. So we'll find out, see what happens. We're gonna try to find a motorbike. But yeah, we're stranded here. And that's why I haven't really been vlogging, because we're just stuck here.
We're sorry, but...
And Zoe just works all day, so it's nothing really exciting going on.
But I asked you on my Instagram what you want to see. And you said cooking videos, so here you go.
Alright, so it's boiling.
Okay, I'm gonna add
The pods are pretty much melted now, so slap some
fire.
milk. Add the Alaska Aces.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
I'm not gonna add all of it. Oh my gosh.
See Moody taking over.
Get away. This is my kitchen.
Any day now.
Well, I'm sensitive. Oh damn. We're gonna need some more everything.
More sugar? So I just realized that dark chocolate is basically just pure cacao with just a little bit of sugar. And normal chocolate, milk chocolate, obviously has milk and a lot of sugar.
I like. Please! I'll take some away. I'll take some away. I swear I can cook, guys. My hair's gonna catch on fire here.
We even have a proper chocolate dispenser.
It's a teapot, but...
See if Zoe can make it inside. This is risky.
Honestly, I'm offended.
It's a lot of chocolate. Bisayang. Alright, so the other day I made these chocolate chip cookies. So Mom Joey is not the only chef slash baker in town. Alright, let's see how it is. Ooh, that is nice.
Heck yeah.
I like the view.
Nah. I'm not ready.
Pinkies up.
I'm gonna be here a while. It's not good?
That's good.
Why did your face do that?
We need more sugar though. It's kind of like dark chocolate. Burn yourself? Sige, so muna siyang video karon. Pasensya na medyo bitin na among video. Tungod kaputo lang video gahapon or sa miyagi o karon. Pero sige na lang, we will think of more videos to do. And subscribe to my other channel because I'll start posting more videos on there, more of this raw stuff. Since I can't travel right now. Check out Zoe's channel, she's gonna start making more videos. So, salamat sa pagtanaw.
Og amping mo, tanan. Bye guys.
Wow. Kiss pagid.
Bursting out in cold flames, breathing we are catching fire. Thought that we were wild.